Have you ever dreamed to own a property here at the Costa Blanca? Then perhaps I have the right one for you. My name is Marcel from Inmo Investments. Today I'm going to introducing you to a first floor, beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This complex is also very family friendly, offering 2 communal pools, gym area, sauna, and also indoor pool, ping pong playground, and also a kids playground. Please follow me and let me show you more. A modern light-filled gym overlooking the pool. Perfect way to start your day with energy and positive mindset. Afterwards, unwind in the indoor pool with hydro massage or relax in the sauna. For dedicated swimmers, a separate pool is also available. Leisure and activity are well catered for, with table tennis in the shaded area. All of this is complemented by beautiful maintained gardens with Mediterranean plants. A popular and well-connected area on the Costa Blanca. Our daily amenities are close by, including shops, restaurants, markets, and the La Zenia Boulevard shopping center. Several golf courses such as Villa Martin and Campo Mar are just minutes away. Beautiful beaches like La Zenia, Playa Flamenca and Campo Mar Beach are also nearby, perfect for enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle. This location offers comfort, convenience, and the best of Spanish coastal living. Right, as you can see, I'm just coming out from the lift. We are here on the first floor, so let me show you the apartment. Right, I want to start straight away with the kitchen, which is here on my right-hand side. An open-plan American-style kitchen, equipped with all necessary white goods, such as the fridge freezer. It comes with a dishwasher as well, oven, hob, and extractor. Right opposite the kitchen, we have the first of the 3 bedrooms this apartment has to offer. Please come with me. Okay, and from the first bedroom you have direct access to the living and to this cozy dining area. And from the living room you have direct access to this wonderful glazed-in terrace. Right, we are here in the glazed-in terrace. It offers you a cozy sitting area to enjoy your coffee or simply a cocktail. You have an additional table with additional 6 chairs to enjoy a lunch or dinner with family or friends. And as I said, this fully covered-in terrace is ideal for the cold winter month to offer you extra warm space, wind-free, but also allows you to open all these glasses up, especially in the summer, July and August, when it's very hot here, to offer you a fresh breeze and to come in through this terrace. And this terrace is throughout equipped with additional blinds. Now we're going into the main bedroom, please follow me. This spacious bedroom offers fitted-in wardrobe and also an ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. This is the second bathroom, also equipped with walk-in shower. And then here we have the third and last bedroom, also equipped with fitted-in wardrobes. Actually, from this bedroom you have nice views over the community pool area, and also you can see a little bit the sea. Now I want to talk a little bit about this feature this apartment has to offer. It's a resale of a new build by one of the most famous developers here in the area, and it comes with underfloor heating in both bathrooms, a very energy efficient electric boiler, washing machine, as I already said at the beginning of the video, fully equipped kitchen and deducted air conditioning. Additionally, included in the price is an assigned parking space in the garage and also a storage room. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to create us more digital content for you, click on the subscribe button below and put the thumbs up. See you next time. Ciao!